Hi, in this tutorial I will make night moon illustration using gradient colors. Nice watching, and don't forget to complete the video to explain in the end the use of gradient colors. So let's start. So, let's explain. So for the first gradient color, I choose the radial gradient to get the circle form. To make the shiny light of the moon I use gradient color composed of the white and the blue, also the same for the stars. Don't forget that the same blue of the background. Now for the moon color, I use a gradient color composed of yellow and white. You should choose the radial gradient to get the circle form. For the gradient, you can add more than 2 colors, and you find the linear gradient form and the free form also. So thank you for watching. I wish it will be helpful. Now is your time to make your night moon illustration.